Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown. I'm back with another video for you, and this is, I guess I call this my a product review video, okay? And I'm introducing this product, Replenish, and at the same time, I'm introducing our online business opportunity for those that might have an interest in that. And our opportunity is with One Marketplace, okay? And One Marketplace is the future of online shopping. And it's a place where, anybody can come and shop and save and share and earn, okay? Now, you can become a free shopper, all right? And there's no membership fee. You just sign up as a free member, a free shopper, and shop when you want to shop, okay? Also, you can become a smart shopper like myself for $14.95 per month. And as a smart shopper, you'll earn revenue share, you'll earn the loyalty bonus, okay? And you can earn up to $100 per month just for being a smart shopper. And also, we've got the $30 monthly travel credit, and you receive that just for being a smart shopper. Okay, so let's look at this real quick. Again, this product is Replenish, if I didn't tell you that. Electrolyte hydration powder intended to support fluid balance, minerals replacement after workouts, and athletic performance. Okay, and currently we have the flavor lemon lime. Now, let me just say this before I move forward, because at One Marketplace we have currently 150 products. Okay, but or should I say and and by year's end we're going to have 300 plus products. And so this is a great place to come and to shop and to save. We're going to have products that you can't get anywhere else, and these are quality products at great prices. Okay, so let's look at this. So if I hit this, I'll just show you this when you come to the website. Okay, you go there, or you look at this, and you can just come up here and you hit this, and that's going to enlarge what you see here. Okay, and I'm going to leave a link directly to this product that you can come and check it out and come and purchase it if you are so inclined to do so, if you see something there. And you're also able to take a look around and see some of our other products. We've got some amazing products with more to come. Okay, just a couple other things I want to share with you, and then I'm going to close out this video. Okay, so I just wanted to share this real quick, and there is a button you'll be able to push when you, wait a minute, just a moment. Okay, so if you recognize that little glitch there, my wife came in, and so I paused it real quick. I don't even remember where I was, but I'm going to go here. Product details, okay? And so if you, when you come and check out this product, if you do so, or any product, you'll see a little button that says product details, and that's where you go. But I'm just going to share a little bit of this, not the whole thing. Okay, but it says hydrate smarter with Replenish Prime Hydration, the professional grade electrolyte drink crafted for endurance, recovery, and peak performance. Okay, Replenish. No sugar, so no energy crash. Okay, 0 calorie and 0 sugar. Hydrate without excess sugar intake. Naturally replenish electrolytes. 100% natural stevia, derived from the stevia Rebaudiana plant. I guess that's how you say that plant. I'm not really sure, but I think that's close. Okay, low cost per saving, and you can come and you can check this out yourself. Okay, but I just wanted to share this about this product. Okay, And I wanted to share about our incredible opportunity. I'm going to leave some information in the description area of this video. And also I'm going to leave the link to Replenish. You can come directly to this product. Okay. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.